It's taught me a lot of things. I saw college students working on the same tools that we are here, and I feel like I've got a really good head start going into the age where I'm going to be using tools.
FRC has been great. It's really encouraged me to enter the tech field, specifically as a woman in the tech field, and fostered this experience and confidence in doing robotics and meeting all of these other fellow roboticists. It's been really phenomenal.
So 3 years ago, I had no idea what I was going to do as a career. And then through meeting and talking to the mentors on our team, they thought I think like an architect. So I'm going into architecture now.
I learned how to use a lathe, CNC mill. I learned how to work as a team with other people.
I've learned a lot about robotics and electronics and stuff.
Actually, I've learned a lot about interacting with people because last year we got the opportunity to go to Worlds, and so I was interacting with people who didn't speak my language.
I can manufacture components, I can actually do code stuff. I learned how to use the equipment without breaking everything, which is probably pretty important. I think it's going great so far. It's going to come out great. We're going to go to Worlds. We're going to win it all.
I feel like it's going pretty well. I feel like we've gotten a lot accomplished in the past however many weeks.
I really like it. I felt like we were a little behind, and we ended up getting there, which was good, but it was right on the benchmark. I was really nervous about that.
This is a great year. I feel really confident. I think we could go to Worlds this year. It's going to be good.
Yeah, I really want to be an engineer or a computer engineer, and I feel like FRC can help me with both of them now because I've learned how to make parts and I've seen the coders using computers.
Yes, it has. I want to be either a mechanic or spec ops in the Army.
Yeah, definitely. Thinking mechanical engineering.
Definitely, without a doubt. I'm probably going to go into engineering or machining.
Yeah, it has made me want to be more of an electrical engineer.
Oh, definitely. I've always wanted to enter a STEM field, but I'm pretty certain after doing robotics and specifically FIRST that I want to be a computer scientist and a programmer.
I've helped with a lot of different stuff. I helped out with the drivetrain, the boomerang lift, the lifting mechanism. I've done a little bit of everything.
Well, I do a lot of art stuff, and I also do a lot of CAD. So during the build season, I do a lot of CAD for machining parts and for CNCing parts and laser cutting.
I have done machine work in the machine shop.
I'm the lead programmer, so I've done a lot of the coding as well as teaching new members on the coding team how to program a robot. So we're all the software people. Definitely what it stands for, teaching kids about robotics and how to be, graciously professional and just, including all types of people in this awesome challenge.
Part of it's the building, part of it's meeting more people who are engaged and inspired by robotics.
Honestly, just the designing part, having to think of something from scratch, having to design it, make sure it works, prototype, test, and then just working with people along the way.
Well, I think what I enjoy most is probably the people I hang out with, because we're all here on a mission. We're all here to accomplish things, and we're all motivated to do those things. And so when we get a group of people motivated together and we're all being productive, that's where we really shine, and that's what I like most about FRC.
It's a really good experience for all of the kids that participate, and this year the team is bigger than it's been in several years, so we're reaching more kids.
Because we're out there to make a difference. We're helping other people, help each other to reach a goal.
It's a unique opportunity to promote STEM in a fun way.
I think that the first robotics challenge and the first competitions are very unique in the sense that they are bringing together just a really diverse group of people from around the world. And I think it's a very worthy cause to support because it's an opportunity that is unlike any other that I have ever experienced.
Well, people should support us because we're the next generation of builders and thinkers and problem solvers. We put ideas that adults maybe wouldn't put to the test because that's what this is about. This is about learning, and whereas adults have to perform in a stressed environment where the first outcome should be the correct outcome, and we don't really have to take that risk. So they're investing in new ways of problem solving, they're investing in the future thinkers, and they're investing in a group of kids who's motivated. So that's why people should support us.